I'm starting my tomatoes just 2 weeks before my last frost date, and it's on purpose.
Tomatoes don't really care about a frost date.
Today I'm using that idea to time my seed starting so that my tomato seedlings are ready when the soil and air temperatures are right for transplanting. Hi, I'm Jeff, and this is Garden State Veg. Simple, practical gardening here in central New Jersey, Zone 7A. For me, the right time to transplant tomatoes is when the soil temperature has reached at least 60 degrees and the nighttime lows are consistently in the 50s, so the plants can go out without stalling. That puts my transplant window somewhere between May 20th and the end of May, which is why I've decided to start my seeds this week. Since tomatoes only need 4 to 6 weeks indoors, starting now will keep them compact and manageable.
This 32 cell tray is being reused from some pansies we picked up a couple weeks ago, and it works nicely for this setup. I'm using my homemade seed starting blend. There's a video on the channel if you want that recipe. I've broken the tray into 6 quads, with 3 tomato seeds per variety, and the 4th cell reserved for basil. There are 6 tomato varieties going in total, but I only need 1 plant of each, so I'll keep the best and I'll share the rest. I also tucked a few marigolds into the extra cells. Once the seeds are covered over, everything gets watered in well before the tray heads onto the heat mat. From here, it's all about giving them the right conditions to grow into sturdy seedlings that are ready right when the transplant time arrives.
If you enjoy this type of content, I'd really appreciate a quick like on the video. And if you'd like to follow along as these tomatoes progress, please consider subscribing. Instead of overgrown plants inside, I should end up with stockier seedlings that are ready right when the weather is. So this is the tomato starting date I've landed on for my garden. When do you start tomatoes in your zone? I'd love to hear what works in your garden. Thanks for watching, and until next time, enjoy the garden.